Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple batch course management app in Retool, even if you have no data or coding experience. We'll use mock data right inside Retool, so you don't need any database connection. Step 1. Create a new app. 1. Go to retool.com and sign in. 2. Click Create New App. 3. Name it Batch Course Dashboard. You'll now see a blank canvas. This is where we'll build our app. Step 2. Add mock data. Since we don't have any real database, we'll create fake data inside Retool itself. 1. On the left sidebar, click plus new, resource, REST API, and name it mock data. You can skip this if you don't want a real resource. We'll use a temporary JavaScript query. 2. On the bottom panel, click plus new, transformer, or plus new, query, JavaScript query. Name it query2 and paste this code. 4. Click run, you'll see your data table. Step 3. Show data in a table. 1. Drag a table component onto the canvas. 2. In the data field, type. Now your mock batch data appears instantly, no connection needed. Step 4. Style and wrap up. Add a title at the top, Batch Course Dashboard. Change background color or layout slightly for a clean UI. And that's it. You've built a simple batch course app in Retool, all with mock data, no backend, and no coding setup. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick Retool